So reset, and well, let's move our platform. It's a slippery little sucker. Okay, we're still having some issues here. Let's reset that, put our gravity pad there. We don't seem to be, we're still losing. I think you've figured it out. Let's go back to GravBall. Of course, if it's still not a full number or more, it's not going to be adding any jump. As we experienced when we had 1, it's just going to bounce at the same level. But we want this into a jump pad, so we're going to have to go more. Let's go 1. Well, not 11. That'd be crazy. 1.1. Let's see how that works. Okay. No, still losing it. Perhaps we need to try negative full number. Let's see how that goes. Are we gaining? Hard to tell. Let's add -2. Let's go crazy. Definitely got ground 2 selected. Aha! We've got to be so careful here, don't we? Because they look the same, we've been changing the code and nothing's been happening because we've had the wrong platform. So let's go ahead and just move this up into the corner, and there we go. There is our gravity working like it should. So apologies for that one. So it looks like our gravity is way too much here, our velocity. So let's go back to that -1.1 to a more reasonable amount of jump. All right, stop, play. Yeah, I think that's a good amount of jump. And now if we go into our other platform, it will work like it should. There we go. We can release that, get a bit of bounce, pop that back under. Pretty cool. It's like playing with a bouncy ball. Very nice. All right. Now let's continue making this a bit of a game, and let's give some player control. So we're going to give the ability to move left and right and sort of bounce across different platforms as we progress through this level, perhaps. So we're going to grab these ones here from the motion section. We're going to grab 2 moves. We won't connect them. And we'll go to the events circle. And under here we can have the when space key pressed, but we'll just change that space to right arrow, and another when space key pressed left arrow. Now having these as both positive numbers probably means they're both going to do the same thing. Let's test it. Green, I'm pressing left key, I move right. I'm pressing right key, I move right. Can you figure out what we need to change? That's right, we need a negative. So let's go -10 with our left, and we'll test that out. Great. Left arrow is now moving left, and right key is moving right. And that's because this is purely mathematical. If we're looking at positive and negative numbers, y positive goes up, y negative goes down, and just like x. So x positive right, x negative left. So now we've got a moving bouncing ball, and we can move our little jump pad just down here and move to the jump and continue to gain bounce, and then make it up here as we bounce along, just tapping that right key. Cool. We could have a start and an end, but I think for a bit more of a challenge, we want a smaller ball because this map isn't too large for us to work in. This area is quite small already. So let's change the size of our ball here. So ensuring we've got GravBall here selected, we can go to looks, and then there's a set size to 100%. So when we've got this first when game clicked, set velocity, let's just pop a set size at the very top there as well, because that's the first thing we want to do. And let's see how 50% looks. So I'll type in 50, hit enter, and play. Yeah, I think it's a workable size. We don't want it too small, don't want it too big.